Welcome to Mauuak Saving Tips. Today I dive deep into NVIDIA's downturn and try to uncover what's really hiding behind it. NVIDIA's downturn has been making headlines lately. And it's not just investors who are paying attention. Tech enthusiasts are also eager to understand what's going on. The company has been a powerhouse in the tech industry for years, and its recent struggles have raised a lot of questions. As we explore this topic, we'll be looking at the reasons behind NVIDIA's downturn and what it might mean for the future of the company. NVIDIA's products have been at the forefront of innovation, from graphics cards to artificial intelligence technology. However, the company's downturn suggests that something is amiss. The tech industry is constantly evolving, and companies need to stay ahead of the curve to remain competitive. NVIDIA's ability to adapt to changing market conditions will be crucial in determining its future success. The company's financial performance has been a subject of concern with declining revenues and profits. This has led to a decrease in investor confidence, which can have long-term effects on the company's valuation. Understanding the underlying causes of this decline is essential to predicting whether NVIDIA can recover and regain its position as a leader in the tech industry. As we delve deeper into the story, it becomes clear that NVIDIA's downturn is a complex issue with multiple factors at play. The company's challenges are not just internal, but also reflect broader trends in the tech industry. To truly understand what's hiding behind NVIDIA's downturn, we need to examine these factors and how they are impacting the company's performance. NVIDIA is facing intense competition in the graphics card market, particularly from AMD. The company's graphics cards have been a major source of revenue, but declining sales have put pressure on the company's bottom line. Furthermore, the rise of cloud gaming has changed the way people consume graphics processing units, potentially disrupting NVIDIA's traditional business model. The global semiconductor shortage has also had a significant impact on NVIDIA's production capabilities. The company has struggled to meet demand for its products, leading to delays and lost sales. This shortage has affected the entire tech industry, but NVIDIA's reliance on high-performance graphics cards has made it particularly vulnerable. In addition to external factors, NVIDIA is also grappling with internal challenges. The company's focus on high-end graphics cards has led to a decline in sales of its more affordable options. This shift in strategy has alienated some of NVIDIA's loyal customer base, who are looking for more budget-friendly alternatives. NVIDIA's foray into the artificial intelligence market has been promising, but it's still a relatively new and unpredictable field. While the company has made significant investments in AI research and development, it remains to be seen whether these efforts will pay off in the long term. The AI market is highly competitive, and NVIDIA will need to innovate continuously to stay ahead of the curve. The company's data center business has been a bright spot, with significant growth in recent years. However, this segment is also highly competitive, and NVIDIA will need to continue investing in research and development to maintain its position. The rise of cloud computing has created new opportunities for data center operators, and NVIDIA is well positioned to capitalize on this trend. The gaming industry's shift towards more efficient and powerful consoles has also affected NVIDIA's business. The company's graphics cards are no longer the only option for gamers. The console market has become increasingly important. NVIDIA will need to adapt to this changing landscape and find new ways to engage with gamers and console manufacturers. As NVIDIA navigates these challenges, the company is also exploring new opportunities in fields like autonomous vehicles and healthcare. These emerging markets offer significant potential for growth, but they also come with unique challenges and uncertainties. NVIDIA will need to carefully balance its investments in these areas with its core business in graphics cards and data centers. The company's commitment to innovation and research and development will be crucial in addressing the downturn. NVIDIA has a long history of pioneering new technologies, and this culture of innovation will be essential in driving its future success. By investing in emerging fields and staying ahead of the curve, NVIDIA can position itself for long-term growth and recovery. NVIDIA's plans for the future involve a significant expansion of its product lineup, including more affordable graphics cards and a greater focus on artificial intelligence. The company is also investing in emerging markets like China and India, where there is a growing demand for high-performance graphics cards. These strategies are designed to help NVIDIA regain its momentum and reclaim its position as a leader in the tech industry. The company's ability to execute on these plans will depend on its leadership and strategic vision. NVIDIA's management team has a proven track record of innovation and adaptability, which will be essential in navigating the challenges ahead. By staying focused on its core strengths and investing in emerging technologies, NVIDIA can overcome its current downturn and emerge stronger than ever. In summary, NVIDIA's downturn is a complex issue with multiple factors at play. The company is facing intense competition, internal challenges, and shifting market trends. But it also has significant opportunities for growth and innovation. By understanding the underlying causes of the downturn and exploring NVIDIA's strategies for the future, we can gain a deeper insight into the company's prospects and the implications for the tech industry. NVIDIA's future is uncertain, but one thing is clear: the company will need to adapt and innovate to succeed. The tech industry is constantly evolving, and companies like NVIDIA must stay ahead of the curve to remain competitive. As NVIDIA navigates its current challenges, it will be important to watch how the company executes on its plans and responds to changing market conditions. The implications of NVIDIA's downturn extend beyond the company itself, with potential impacts on the broader tech industry. The rise of new technologies and emerging markets will create new opportunities for growth, but also pose significant challenges for established players like NVIDIA as the tech industry continues to evolve. It will be essential to stay informed and adapt to changing circumstances. NVIDIA's story serves as a reminder that even the most successful companies can face significant challenges. However, with a commitment to innovation and a willingness to adapt, NVIDIA can overcome its current downturn and emerge stronger than ever. The company's future is uncertain, but its potential for growth and innovation is undeniable. Let's discuss this in the comments. What do you think NVIDIA's future holds, and how will the company address its current challenges? Be sure to watch our next video, where we'll explore the latest developments in the tech industry and what they mean for investors and enthusiasts alike.